noise for God. Come on, clap it up for God. Come on now, clap it up for God. I want y'all to clap it up for one of the best drummers out here, my boy Trey. This is my little brother. Praise God. I want y'all to clap it up for my brother, Apostle Gibson. Clap it up for him. Praise God. I want y'all to clap it up for the honoree today. Special good man right there, my brother, Azusa, Nazareth. CEO, President, Leon Shield. Clap it up for him. Praise God. Praise God. That's a brother of mine. I love him. We ain't gonna hold y'all long. Can y'all hear me good out there? Can y'all hear me good? Okay. I see you back there. Now clap it up for God. Now I'm about to give y'all my testimony. Check me out. Look at me on my time. What does it mean when your flesh is the blind? They looking at me and I'm looking at you. And searching for the one that's gonna help me get through. 1 minute I'm hot, 1 minute I'm cold. Look when you hate it, I'm letting it go. See the spot in this world and I